Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how camel leather is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this. The key to softening the hides lies in the precise balance of the tanning agents. We monitor the chemical ratios closely to ensure consistency and quality.
Check the pH on line 3, it's fluctuating.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Levels stabilizing.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how camel leather is made, from start to finish.